Hello students, today we'll start with English chapter 2.2, the three questions. First we'll talk about the author or the writer, that is Leo Tolstoy. 1828 to 1910, he was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He first achieved literary acclaim, that is public praise, in his 20s with his semi-autobiographical trilogy Childhood, Boyhood and Youth. So he became very famous because of this trilogy, what he had written. Then the chapter which we are doing today is the three questions. Now this chapter is a parable. What is a parable? A parable is a short story with moral lesson, जहाँ पे हमें कुछ सीख मिलती है. A parable usually has human characters. Now this parable is about a king who wants to find the answers to what he considers to be the three most important questions in life. So now we'll move to the lesson and we'll see what are the three important questions in life that should be answered. We'll start with the chapter. Once a certain king had an idea. If he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to and who to avoid the most important thing to do, he would never fail in anything that he would undertake, and above all, if he always knew what was the most undertake. Now here one day certain a king had an idea that if he knew what was the right time to begin everything, क्या सही टाइम है, कौन से सही लोग हैं जिन्हें हमें सुनना चाहिए और किन्हें हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए, कौन सा चीज़ है जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो वो कभी फेल नहीं होगा अगर वो कोई भी चीज़ करेगा तो. एंड if he knew all these things, he would also knew that what should he do or what was the most important thing he has to do. Since he was convinced that he was right in thinking this way, अभी उसे लग रहा था कि उसकी जो सोच है वो सही है. So he made a proclamation in his kingdom. Proclamation यानी he made an announcement in his kingdom. He would give a great reward to anyone who would teach him what is the right time for every action, who the most necessary people were, and how he might know the most important thing to do. Many learned people came to the court, but they all gave different answers. So now he made an announcement that he would give a great reward to a person who will give the answers to these three questions. What was the right time for every action? The most necessary people who were and how he might know the most important thing. So whoever told him all the answers to these three questions, he would reward him. Now many learned people came from different parts to his court to give different answers. In reply to the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days, months and years and must live strictly according to it. तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन का कुछ लोगों ने ये जवाब दिया कि सही एक्शन के टाइम को जानने के लिए वन मस्ट ड्रॉ टेबल्स विथ डेज, मंथ्स एंड ईयर्स एंड फॉलो देम स्ट्रिक्टली. तो अगर हम टेबल बना के चलेंगे तो वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू डू वी कैन रिकॉर्ड इट इन द टाइम टेबल एंड वी कैन फॉलो इट अकॉर्डिंगली. Others declared that it was impossible to decide beforehand, and others they said that it is very difficult to decide when the right time is for any action. But not letting oneself be absorbed in adult pastimes, one should always attend to all that was going on and then do that what was essential. तो अगर किसी को नहीं पता है कि कौन सा टाइम सही है तो उसे अपना टाइम पास नहीं करना चाहिए आइडल बैठ के, बल्कि उसे सब कुछ अटेंड करना चाहिए जो भी चल रहा है, और जो भी इसेंशियल है, जो भी ज़रूरी है, वो तभी के तभी कर देना चाहिए. Yet others said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action. और कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि एक इंसान के लिए सही टाइम किसी भी एक्शन का डिसाइड करना इजी नहीं है. एंड दैट द किंग शुड इंस्टेड हैव अ काउंसिल ऑफ वाइज पीपल. और ये सही टाइम कोई भी एक्शन करने के लिए तो एक राजा को एक काउंसिल होना चाहिए, ग्रुप होना चाहिए उसके पास वाइज पीपल का, who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. So here the person is saying that एक किंग के पास एक काउंसिल होना चाहिए, बहुत वाइज पीपल होने चाहिए, उसमें समझदार लोग होने चाहिए जो उसे बताए कि व्हाट वाज द राइट टाइम फॉर डूइंग द एक्शन. नेक्स्ट पैरा, इक्वली वेरीड वर द आंसर्स टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स भी ऐसे ही बहुत ही वेरीड थे, यानी डिफरेंट थे. सम सेड द पीपल द किंग द मोस्ट नीडेड वर हिज काउंसिलर्स. तो सबसे ज़रूरी इंसान थे सेकेंड. तो कुछ ने बोला कि सबसे ज़रूरी एक किंग के लिए उसके काउंसिलर्स होते हैं, कुछ ने बोला कि प्रीस्ट होते हैं, दूसरों ने बोला कि डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, और कुछ ने बोला कि वॉरियर्स जो है वो सबसे ज़रूरी होते हैं. To the third question, that what was the most important occupation or thing, some said that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was skill in warfare. कुछ ने बोला साइंस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, इम्पोर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशन है, इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है, क्योंकि इससे हम इन्वेंशंस कर सकते हैं, आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. कुछ ने बोला वॉरफेयर है, क्योंकि वॉर करके लड़के ही हम आगे जीत सकते हैं. और कुछ ने बोला अगेन दैट इट वाज द रिलीजियस वर्शिप. और कुछ ने बोला कि भगवान में रिलीजियस वर्शिप करना, दैट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट. द किंग वॉज कन्विंस्ड बाय नन. तो किंग किसी भी आंसर से कन्विंस नहीं था. एंड ही गेव द रिवॉर्ड टू नन. तो किसी को रिवॉर्ड भी नहीं दिया. ही डिसाइडेड इंस्टेड टू गो टू अ हर्मिट who was widely renowned for his wisdom. Now what is a hermit? Now hermit is a hummingbird, but hermit here in this lesson is a person living in solitude as a religious discipline. Living in solitude means he lives in privacy alone and follows a religious discipline. Okay, so now the king decided to go to a hermit who was very wise. बहुत ही समझदार होते थे hermit, and he was famous for that, the hermit. The hermit lived in a small hut in a forest which he never left. The hermit lived in the forest only and he never left that place. He spoke only to common folk. Spoke only to common folk यानी कि उसके जैसे लोगों के साथ ही वो बात करता था, common, अपने जैसे. So the king put on simple clothes and approaching the hermit's cell, dismounted his horse and left his bodyguard behind. So now when the king will go in lavish clothes lavishly over there, he will not entertain the king. So the king put on simple clothes, he dressed up very simple, and while reaching the hermit's cell, यानी कि जब उसके घर पे पहुंच रहे थे, he got down from the horse and left his bodyguard behind and went alone to the hermit's house. When the king arrived, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. तो जब किंग पहुंचा तो वो hermit जो है उसके घर के सामने की ग्राउंड जो है उसे he was digging it. He greeted the king but went on digging. The hermit was frail and weak. Frail means delicate. So the hermit was very weak and delicate, and each time he struck the ground with the spade and turned over a little earth, यानी कि जब वो डिग करता था और थोड़ी मिट्टी निकालता था, he breathed heavily. The king went up to him and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. So the king now went to the hermit and told his reason why he had come to see him. because he wanted the answers to these three questions.